Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Disney recipe. We'll be making the Mickey Rice Krispie treats, and honestly this is going to be such an easy quick recipe, so get ready and let's make them. The only ingredients you need are Rice Krispies of any kind. We bought ours from Aldi. Some type of marshmallows. We have vegan and non-vegan just in case we run out because we could only get hold of a small packet. Some type of butter or margarine, and then chocolate to decorate, and any other thing you might want to decorate them with, such as M&Ms, biscuit, or like cookie, or different chocolate bars that are chopped up, or just more different types of chocolate that you can like drizzle on. We will do a few designs, but we are quite limited on supplies because obviously we can't really go and just like randomly look for stuff that we don't need. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is grab your marshmallows and your margarine or butter, and we're gonna melt them in a pan until they're completely combined, and then we're gonna add in our Rice Krispies. So we're gonna add around a teaspoon, like a heaped teaspoon of margarine, and then we're gonna add all our marshmallows, which is 75 grams. So we've been mixing for a while, and this is kind of what we've got. Doesn't look the most appetizing, but you know. So now we take it off the heat and we add in our Rice Krispies. Yeah. Chef's just guessed. We actually don't have any molds, but this is kind of perfect because hopefully this can help people who might not have any stuff either, and we're just going to try and shape it as much as we can. The other thing about ours is that they're kind of pinky because we used pinky marshmallows as well as white ones. So this is where we're at. Not amazing. Well, apparently this one is amazing. I'm not convinced. I think mine's actually better. But basically I'm going to put it in the fridge for a little while. Bear in mind, if you have more marshmallows, or you could just use less Krispies, it'll be more like sticky because ours is kind of crumbly. But I'm hoping if I put it in the fridge and then we drench it in chocolate, it should be fine. So while our Rice Krispie treats are in the fridge kind of like hardening a bit, we're going to use a bain-marie to melt our chocolate so we can hopefully add that on top. So basically on my other channel, Lauryn, we're doing a juice cleanse. So this is very hard not to like eat some of the chocolate or like a marshmallow or whatever, but we're going strong so far. We now have our hot water in our pan, and we're just about to put the chocolate on top to start melting it. So our chocolate is now melted, and we're just about to grab the treats out of the fridge to kind of see what we can do decorating wise. We managed to find these fizzers. I think in America these are Smarties, they're basically the same thing. And we're gonna see if we can decorate it with those because we don't really have much else. So we're just now adding these skewers into the bottom. Before we've decorated, this is mine. Bear in mind it won't be as messy because we'll put it on a new plate, so you'll be able to tell the shape. And then this is my mother's. I was gonna say mine looks like a 7-year-old made it, which is probably also true. Here we are. I think mine is just fabulous. So we did a little tester of what would happen if we put gold sprinkles, and that's what it looks like. Like, that looks so good. So I'm now gonna add gold sprinkles all around the edge. I am literally that 7-year-old kid who goes to like some party where they make some type of dessert and they just go like really wild. So my camera ran out of charge, so I just went to charge the battery. But basically we put the treats that we made in the fridge. We actually transferred them onto greaseproof paper, or at least I thought I had. So I got fresh plates out to put them onto the greaseproof paper, and then for some reason I just transferred it directly onto a new plate. So this juice cleanse is just not doing good for my brain. But basically I put my mum's one on the greaseproof paper, and they're both in the fridge, so we'll just have a look at how they've kind of turned out now that they might be a bit more set. And here we are. Honestly, I think they've turned out pretty good. So this is the one I made, and it is completely covered with chocolate except on the bottom. It has fizzers, also known as Smarties, and then gold sprinkles on. And then this one is my mum's, which just has chocolate on the top, a little bit has dribbled down the side, and then it just has a few of the fizzers on top as well. So I think that was like kind of successful, considering that we had like basically no resources or anything like that. Obviously this isn't really like a tutorial, this is just us trying to make them, but I kind of said what to do. So yeah, we copied the Kellogg's Rice Krispies recipe, kind of, we just actually guessed, for the crispy cake, and then we just added our toppings on ourselves. We tried to copy the pictures, but obviously we didn't have M&Ms, and also they're not vegan, or like loads of other stuff that we needed, so we just basically made it up as we went, and that is what we came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know down in the comments if you recreated this recipe also, and what toppings you chose to put on top. Make sure to go check out my other channel, Lauryn. I will put it up on screen so you can see it, and don't forget to follow my Instagram _Lauren.Rachel_, and I'll see you next Thursday with a brand new video. Bye!